ile miche inakuwa na udhaifu wakati unaenda kupandwa.
Right now, a fourth-year student from Kabianga University has surprised the minds of so many people after building a helicopter. Alan Kipngeno, aged 23, from Chebirir Bay village on Belgut sub-county in Kericho County, who is pursuing a degree course at Kabianga University, said that he was motivated to come up with the idea of building a helicopter after doing academic writings from Dubai and Qatar, saying that he started it in the year 2019.
Like many university students, learning new skills is always exciting. It is not any different for Alan Kipngeno, who is pursuing an aeronautical engineering course at Kabianga University. His interests were developed after writing many academic papers. The 23-year-old learned basic concepts from the assignments and was inspired to construct a helicopter from scratch. This has left many astonished. From cutting pieces and attaching the engine and finally putting together the propeller, Kipngeno completed the assembly part. It looks like a helicopter, and when the engine starts, there is a promise. Despite this achievement, he still underwent several challenges. Kipngeno is eyeing to improve on his first creation. Catherine Oise, KTN News.
Right, from that story we take a short break, but we'll be back with more.